Dalla piccola, how was to coordinate such a huge project?
The project was really indeed a very big one and was really a big effort because we had to put together 22 centers from 10 countries from 2 continents. And at the end of this 4-year project, I must say that we are happy for the result we obtained. We are aware that probably what we have developed is just a cog within the big network of in silico medicine. But probably this cog is a very important starting point for further progress and development. So really we are at the conclusion of a long story, but it is a successful story.
All people, or most people I should say, are resistant to change, and physicians, are people, and so they are not easy to change their way of doing things. They're doing one of the most critical jobs in the world, dealing with the health of people. They have to be really convinced that any change will be of significant benefit to their work. So it is our job, technologists, as we develop the new tools and the new technologies, to convince them that there will be such an impact. Now, more and more, physicians are much more willing to accept this technology, bring it into their everyday clinical practice, and then use it. Because technology is advancing, research is advancing, but also it is a recursive effect. As technology advances, we are able to generate more data, and having more data, we are able to derive much more useful information that actually come to aid the clinician, and therefore the clinician will use these technologies more and more, and of course this will generate even more data, and so it's a virtuous circle.
Now there is an attempt of technology to become the most important thing rather than culture and value. You know what I mean? So essentially we have a lot of innovation in different fields, new drugs, new vaccines, new medical device, big data, informatics, mHealth, eHealth, cloud data. So all these issues are very important. The problem is that they will not solve the problem unless we have the culture and the ability to make them all together. So in other words, it's a multi-stakeholders, multidisciplinary challenge, and if we don't do that all together, there will be winners and losers, but moreover, the patient will